Take a look at these 3 flashing lights. As you can see, there are 2 white flashes and 1 red flash. We want you to pay attention to the interval of time between the flashes. There's 1 here between the first 2 flashes, and 1 here between the second 2 flashes. The question for you is, which of these 2 intervals of time is longer? Watch a couple more. Okay, can you tell which is longer? If you said the second interval is longer, you're right. Well, sort of. We're betting that your brain thinks it takes longer for the red light to appear. But here's the thing. The amount of time that passes between each flash of light is exactly the same. That's right, both intervals are about ½ a second long. So, why did you think that the second pause was so much longer? It has to do with how your brain perceives distance and time.
This is what's known as the Kappa illusion, and it reveals how your sense of time can be influenced and distorted by your perception of distance. Notice the distance between the first 2 flashes of light. They're relatively close. Now look at the red flash of light. It's 3 times as far away, causing your brain to overestimate how much time has passed between them.
So why did you think that the second interval was so much longer?
And we think it might have to do with your brain's perspective on motion. If you've ever been to an auto racetrack, your brain learns to expect a car moving at a certain speed to take a certain amount of time to go from point A to B. By putting the third flash further away, your brain altered your perception of how much time had passed, making the second pause seem longer because the red light must have traveled farther.